What does it mean to be served? I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida foreclosure attorney. And we have a situation where somebody was mailed a bunch of stuff by the bank, and they want to know if being mailed this big packet of information is the same thing as being served. And the answer is no. Being served is when a process server, who might be a deputy or somebody in plain clothes, comes to your door, bangs on the door, knocks on the door, usually early in the morning because they've got a knack for doing that, and they serve you, actually hand you a lawsuit, and it has what's called a summons on it. And then once you're served that, you've got to respond to that lawsuit. When you're mailed something, that is not the same thing as somebody knocking on your door and serving you the lawsuit. Now, you have to be careful here, because sometimes if the bank can't serve you by having somebody knock on your door and handing it to you, they will try to serve you by mail and by publishing in the newspaper. And if you get something that looks suspicious, something that might look like a lawsuit or mentions a court, you should talk to an attorney, because you want to be sure that you haven't been served by mail or publication. It's very important because you could lose your case automatically. And a lot of times these process servers have been known to break the rules. They've been known to take the easy way out, because they get paid by the case, by the service, and by the attempt. And sometimes they'll say that you're avoiding service, and then the bank will try to serve you by publication or by mail. And we don't want that to happen, because we want you to have an opportunity to defend your case. And I'm telling you this because I've represented people that have been defaulted when they were served by mail, when they received documents in the mail and they were never actually served. And that's just not right. You should have a chance to defend your case in court. And that's what we want to make sure happens. So if you get some documents in the mail that you're worried about, call me. I'd be glad to review them and give you some good advice. And just be careful, because it's a tricky world in the foreclosure process, and it's easy to get caught off guard. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.